It's my second day here in New York. The weather looks amazing. I'm super excited to get out there. Let's go enjoy New York City. I'm gonna go to one of my favorite breakfast spots first.
Is it too busy? Are we gonna wait?
Monkey bread and a Gruyere omelet. Yeah, this is one of my favorite spots, Wolf and Badger.
Right.
Always unique stuff. Oh my gosh. Incredible. So cool to see how vintage is inspired so many things. I mean, it's like literally a flapper dress. Yeah, I love seeing the crazy displays. Crazy cool wallpaper. And then there's designers like this, who of course we buy and sell a lot of his Christmas ornaments from the 50s and 60s. Look at the freaking lucite giraffe. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. There's vintage everywhere. It's crazy how like 90% of everything in New York City is simply marketing and display. I mean, visual merchandising goes a long way. A lot of that stuff was just, well, all of it was actually vintage, and the photos were of people who wore it originally, and it was just kind of the way they had it displayed. They added their little tags and labels. It's just crazy the way vintage influences everything these days. Yeah, there you go. Grandma did it better. Very cool. Reimagined vintage shopping. And of course, Mackenzie Childs. It's crazy how popular secondhand shopping has become. This is yet another all secondhand shop. This is so fabulous. I actually take it back. I thought about what I said about how not like most of New York City is just marketing and advertising. Most of everything is marketing and advertising, honestly. Very cool photographs. I love the woman smoking in the car. Well, this is wild. Look at the giant lipsticks. Those are fantastic. The Lifesavers. Definitely obsessed with the lipsticks. Dude. This is what really is calling me, though. Wow. And here's another one. It seems like reselling has taken over the city. Very cool. This is one of my favorite churches in New York. Unfortunately, a lot of the construction covers up how beautiful it is, but I always thought it was the neatest thing.
Oh, I know. I knew that.
And the historic Strand Bookstore.
Sure. No, it's fine. I didn't know it's a human being.
Fabulous. Oh, that's so cool. Celluloid. I love the checkerboard. One of my best friends knows the owner of this place. He says it's delicious. No way. Oh my gosh, talk about market. This is cool. I don't think it's particularly old, but love that. Some dice, that's awesome. How fun. These are cool. Amazing.
Really good. I had like
Oh my gosh, look at all the Venetian glass mirrors. Holy cow.
speak up, tell me he broke. I know you ain't into all that. I heard your lyrics, I feel your spirit. Yes.
Pillow Cat Books. I almost said it said follow that cat.
Thank you. Perfect.
Yeah, go for it. You can just pull her leg over.
Ron or Bob doesn't think that it's going to affect the ultimate surgery, but he was lamenting it.
Yeah.